Hi, welcome back. Good to see you in brand new chapter where we are going to discuss and understand how can you just keep creating new ideas, new content ideas and never go out of content ideas so that you can keep writing a script, keep recording and keep posting and keep growing. All right. So let's first understand five fail proof ways to generate new content ideas. And these are the industry's best one. I am going to talk about it. Right. Number one, which is my favorite too. So the first thing is using search engine. And let me tell you, this one's my absolute favorite because platform like YouTube and Google are basically a gold mine of long form content that you can easily convert into short form content. I mean, just think about it. One video can give you like 10 different topic to cover. It's like hitting the jackpot. But yes, let's not forget that YouTube isn't exactly a social media platform. It's a search engine. Remember the lesson where we discuss what is the difference between YouTube influencer and social media influencer, right? So it's more like a search engine. People head to YouTube with the intention to learn, right? On the other hand, when you're scrolling through Instagram, you want to just get entertained. And that is why it is important that you can pick a content inspiration, but you need to convert it into short form content with an attention grabbing hook and body and end with CTA and add some entertainment to it or add make it worth watching, right? So, all right, let's dive into the second method scrolling through social media platform. One second, let me give you example of YouTube how I search for my content and how can you search for your content. And similarly, YouTube is a search engine. Similarly, the Google is also a search engine, and I'm going to show you how you can search your topic on Google as well. Okay. Okay, let me take my example. So I'm into social media marketing. So I'll just type three Instagram tips, right? I'm just randomly typing here. And yes, 10 hidden Instagram hack and tips and trick you must know for Reels growth in 2022. Now I can watch this video. I'm not going to watch it. And I can create two reels out of it saying five hidden Instagram hack and tips and trick you must know for real growth in 2024 part 1 part 2, right? So I can do this, right? Similarly, I need to just also see that the content is upgraded and not obsolete because that is going to impact my my authority. So yes, three Instagram tips you probably didn't know 2022. So I can make it the three Instagram tips and trick you probably didn't know 2024. I can create this video, and plus I get lot of shorts here, YouTube shorts, which I can just take inspiration from. Like just by typing one keyword, I'm getting tons of options here. Growth formula 31K in 1 month, and how can you do it? So I have, like, for example, 70,000 followers. So I can say the Instagram growth formula, 70K followers in 3 months. This is how I did it, right? So what did I do? What he's telling, what I'm going to tell, maybe I can just make, but I am going to get a lot of ideas. And plus these titles are hooks, right? Already these are hooks, so I don't have to create hook. 10 simple strategy to 10x your Instagram growth. I can just simply copy paste this and create a b-roll and ask them to read the caption, and whatever he is saying, what I'm gonna do is just write it in the caption. Okay, now this is just for your example. This is not how I do it because I like to take inspiration when I run out of content ideas. I generally do not like to copy paste as it is because I'm building a personal brand here, and I would like to add my touch, my feeling, the way I deliver things. So maybe if I am running out of content ideas altogether, maybe this topic is really enticing to me, like 10 simple strategy to 10x your Instagram growth. Maybe I'll just copy the hook as it is and write my 10 simple strategy which help me grow from 0 to 70k follower. Or maybe I listen to this YouTube videos and just grab the points which help me and plus add my points there, right? So this is how you need to do. But just in case if you feel like copy paste, you can do it, because these are YouTube videos and you're definitely going to write your script. The way you're going to deliver the both YouTube videos and your reel is going to be completely different, and there will be no copyright issue, right? You're not downloading this video and using it on your platform like curation, right? You are just taking inspiration. Instagram masterclass leaked by Jitu. Okay. So grow your Instagram like crazy in 2024 with these simple tricks, right? So this is nice hook. Maybe I can add my Instagram tips, like what I teach to my client, to my people, and one-on-one coaching, right? And I can just grab this hook, or maybe I can listen this podcast again and add my own points and create one. So yes, the ideas just keep flowing here. I can just keep scrolling, and if this is not enough, the shorts are also there to give me more and more inspiration, right? And this is all I'm getting just by typing the just one search keyword. So Instagram growth followers, for example, if I type, right? So I get a lot of ideas here on followers, right? Similarly, if I just go on Google and I type to latest update on Instagram, right? So then I get a lot of blogs here which I can convert into my reel, like 5.5 latest, or maybe I need to write something good. Latest news about Instagram in India. How to, oh, let me just change the niche. So, for example, you're into fitness, how to lose body fat in a month, right? And you see a lot of blogs are there. You can just grab the content ideas from here, and plus, just not the blogs are nothing, but these related search are the gold mine, because these are searched by the people, like 10 kg weight loss in a month diet chart, how to lose body fat in 1 month, how to lose body fat in 1 month exercise, how to lose body fat naturally and permanently, maximum weight loss in a month. So these are the topic people are searching currently. If you can create content around it, I'm telling you, the chances of going viral is much more high. Okay. How much weight can you safely lose in a month, right? So these are already trending topics. These are blogs, you can take it for inspiration, but these search results I showed you, right? It was in the middle. Okay, generally it comes at the bottom. These are related searches. These are hot topics. If they are searched on Google and YouTube, they are searched on the Instagram also, and these are the pain point. And this is how you can do your audience research, right? When you do your audience research, you need to know what are their pain points, their desire, and their fear. You can just come on Google and search for it, and Google is going to give you answer what people are searching, right? So this example of two search engines here, and how you can get tons and tons and never ending idea generation from just using these two platforms. All right, let's dive into the second method, scrolling through social media platform like Pinterest, Facebook. Now, personally, I'm not a huge fan of Facebook because I don't find much inspiration there, but it really depends on your niche, right? So you gotta go where you feel most comfortable and where you're getting the most ideas. For me, it is Pinterest. I mean, you just type in few keywords and boom, you have got tons of graphic ideas linked to the blogs waiting for you. It's like treasure trove of inspiration. Plus, you can see what's trending and what's popular, which is super helpful, right? So yes, if you're creating, for example, 20 reels in a month, and you have kept 10 content ideas for your graphics and for single and for carousels, then in that case you can get some awesome ideas on Pinterest with the topic. Okay. Next up, we have got discussion forum like Quora. So Quora is awesome if you want to get real time insight into the burning questions of your audience. I mean, if someone is asking a question and tons of people are replying and tons of people are liking their answers because they found that answer useful, the chances are that your audience are also looking for that advice or piece of information on Instagram, and they're going to love it. So why not to be the one to provide it? So that is why Quora Forum is amazing platform to understand the audience problems, their behavior. It is good for audience research, the target audience research, and for the content creation idea as well. Another one is AI tools like Answer the Public or Answer Scorets, right? So these tools are seriously game changer when it comes to generating content ideas. I'm talking thousands of ideas in just 1 second. Plus, they categorize the idea based on the popularity, so you know exactly what people are searching online. And let me just give you a quick demo. So here we are on our computer screen, and just let me go to answer the public first. This is a tool created by Neil Patel. If you know, he's into SEO. SEMrush is another product by Neil Patel, and Answer the Public too. It was free for quite some time, so register for free and get 3 daily searches. Okay, now they have limited it. Otherwise, the searches and everything was free when this was launched. So what you need to do is just, for example, eggless cake. Okay, you are into baking and you need to change your country. Okay, if you're from India or wherever, USA, uh, from, and you need to search. Okay, it is asking me to sign up. Let me just sign up if I remember my password. Okay, I have signed up. Okay, it is asking for more and more question. I would just like to dismiss it. I'm again searching for eggless cake. Let me see if it allows me. Oh, yes. So you see which cake is tasty, egg or eggless, which cake is best, or uh, best egg or eggless. So you see the very faded one are the least asked question, and the most colorful is basically how to make eggless cake, how to eggless cake at home. So search volume 9.9k, cost per click is also there. So yes, we are not running meta ads here or Google ads, but yes, these are the searches by people, and it is categorized by why, are, can, how, what, where, which, and then you have another without, for. So it is well categorized. You can actually create hook. It is easy to create hook if they are categorized. For example, are, right? uh, are eggless cake vegan, are Mognis cake eggless. Okay, these are like make eggless cake at home, how to make eggless cake. Are you struggling to make eggless cake at home? I am going to tell you how to make eggless cake in just 3 steps using only 5 ingredients, right? This is how you can create your videos. So yes, tons of idea. So far we have discussed search engine, YouTube and Google. We have talked about other social media platform, Pinterest, Facebook. We have talked about the discussion forum Quora for the real time burning questions. And plus, you have this AI tool which can give you amazing result ready to use. Another platform is Answer the Score. Answers. So go to this website and just type your topic. So this time let's talk about any topic, any niche in mind. I can't come across, maybe motivation or maybe affirmation. India, you need to change your country and then search. Okay. I can affirmation. Can I write affirmation in my phone? And see, here also you find tons of content ideas, never ending content ideas, divided into should, what, where, when, can, who, why, which, will, preposition, can, for. So keep scrolling, keep getting the content ideas. For example, let's search for the same eggless cake. Are eggless cake really eggless? How are eggless cake made? Right? So yes, like answer the public, you get lots of content ideas. You just keep creating your content around these topics and you can never go out of content ideas. The best part is you can download also. So yes, this is how you download. I just downloaded all the topics and maybe this is good to go. Now you need to write your hook script and first of all choose what topic you want, because literally 693 results are there, so you are definitely not going to cover all. So just pick the meaningful one, just highlight them, use filter and just filter the one with the color with the highlight and just start writing your script hook and start creating content. So this is how you never go out of content ideas. Okay, I'm not done yet. There are more ways you can find content ideas. Number 5, learn from industry peers. So last but not least, you have got the tried and trusted method of checking out your competitor's profile. This is where you can really learn a lot. Take a look at what's working for them, what's not, and then implement those strategies into your content. Learn from their success and their mistake, and you will be well on your own to creating winning content. Right? So it's all about staying ahead of the game and giving your audience exactly what they want and getting a lot of engagement on your post and your content to your account so that Instagram algorithm notice it and promote your content and account at the same time for the real organic growth. Now, here's the thing. You don't want to spread yourself too thin by trying to grab ideas from every single platform out there. Okay. So this is very important for me to tell you, because don't get overwhelmed trying all the platform I have mentioned here, right? You'll get overwhelmed. Trust me, you'll get overwhelmed. These platforms are literally overwhelming with content ideas. And if you try to tackle them all at once, you will just end up feeling like you're drowning in the sea of possibilities and so many content ideas that you are not able to figure out and take action. So my advice, pick your favorite platform, focus on that. Trust me, it will save you a ton of time and sanity in long run. I hope you agree with me. Okay, so just pick one good platform and you're good to go.